Just a quick one on the most common settings that I need to clear when I set up a Nest or when I come into an empty unit. One is to go into the stay away feature. This feature
is a little dangerous for people with pets.
Or if used, can turn the AC off when it doesn't sense motion. So all I do is go to that stay away feature, hit stop using, and that's that. Another one is programming. A lot of times I want to erase the schedule. See, this has been programmed, and if somebody doesn't know any better, their AC is going to be kicking on to 72 and 71 degrees. So what I do is go and select each of these numbers and remove it.
This may also need to be done for the heat setting to keep the heater from turning on when in the heat mode.
Just remove all of them. Once they're all cleared, I'm done. Now it'll stay at whatever somebody sets it to. Set it at 79 and stay at 79. Otherwise, this one might randomly at different periods jump to 72 or 71 degrees. So those are things I like to clear. Next is if someone set up the fan to stay on all the time. This one, it's not set that way, but I would basically go into this fan schedule and then this always deal would change and then hit set. But now I'm just going to run the fan. Not at all. I can leave it on always, but I just won't set it. I'll hit back. But if we set that, we can set the fan so the fan would stay on. So right now it's disabled. That's how we want that. And the last thing is to clear any network. I'm not connected, so I don't have to clear anything. If I did, I would click the button and then I would disconnect or set it so that it's not connected to the network. And that's that. All done. Good to go. And then this, when you're running it, for me, I do not run it on heat and cool setting at the same time. It's either on heat or it's on cool. See, heat separate, cool separate, that's it. So because I have hydronic units and you have to open the valve in order to use the heat, it just works out better on this separate settings, either heat or cool. That's for my settings. It's a done deal. For the Nest, those are the common things that I need to clear when setting up the Nest Thermostat, or when when setting it up for a change of occupancy, something like that. Okay.